everyone, in this video, I'll guide you on how to save and download your Canva design to your computer. If you've created designs in Canva and want to save them to your computer, follow these simple steps. Locate the top right corner of your design and click on Share. In the sharing options, find the download button and click on it. Now choose the file type that best suits your needs for the download. You can select JPG or PNG for images. JPG is great for sharing, while PNG is ideal for complex images and illustrations. For documents and emails, opt for PDF standard, and for printing purposes, choose PDF print. If it's a video, select MP4. Next, you can customize the quality if necessary. Remember, you can save these download settings for future use. Once you've made your selections, click on Download. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.